Hello and welcome to the Sudoku Academy by Sudoku X. Our goal is to provide you with clear and effective techniques to enhance your Sudoku solving skills. In today's session, we'll be focusing on the last free cell technique. In the realm of Sudoku puzzles, solving methods fall into two main categories: number placement and number elimination. Number elimination techniques work by systematically removing potential numbers from specific cells until the correct number to be placed becomes clear. Typically, beginners and easy-level players can rely solely on placement techniques to complete the puzzles. There are three distinct placement techniques, each with its unique logic: last free cell, last possible number, and single possible position. This video focuses on the straightforward last free cell technique. The basic Sudoku rules say that every row, column, and 3x3 block must contain the numbers 1 through 9, each appearing only once. These are the fundamental so-called constraints that one must adhere to while solving a Sudoku puzzle. Last free cell relies on these fundamentals. Let's take a look at the board. We can see an uncompleted column on the left, a block in the middle, and an uncompleted row at the bottom, all with exactly one number missing. Now, let's start with the row. Can you spot the missing number? Following the basic rule, we can easily see that the row contains all numbers from 1 through 9 but the 5. Let's place it in the last free cell. Applying the same logic to the column on the left-hand side gives us a 6 that can be filled. And whilst we are on a roll, let's also place that 7 in the center block. To advance your skills further, make sure to watch our videos on the other placement techniques and practice with Sudoku X to excel at beginner and easy levels.